Hello, I'm Jurrien Timmer, and welcome to Timmer Time. Well, there's many things to focus on, of course, but if there's one thing to focus on, I think, for next year is the overall liquidity profile. There's fiscal expansion around the world. Rates are now coming down. The money supply is growing. And there really is no sign of that ending. And that has the potential of reigniting an economy around the world that has been, slowing down in recent quarters. And it also has the potential maybe to even reignite inflation down the road, maybe not bringing it back up, but not allowing it to come back down all the way towards the central bank's targets. And so that's something I'm watching for next year, because that will move asset prices, including gold, maybe digital assets, certainly stocks, interest rates as well. As deficits continue to mount, what is the correct level for the benchmark yields around the world, in Canada, in the US, and elsewhere? And so when you put all those pieces of the puzzle together, earnings growth, the liquidity cycle, fiscal policy, monetary policy, sentiment, valuation, we try to kind of weave those pieces of the puzzle into a mosaic. And for me, in 2025, it is shaping up to be a year of maybe renewed growth, maybe some renewed inflation, an ongoing bull market for equities, and an ongoing bull market for gold. And who knows, maybe even Bitcoin, although that plays along its own tunes often. But overall, that concept, I think, is what will drive markets next year. And then, of course, the other very big question is, how broad will the markets be? Will other countries, other regions, emerging markets, participate in what has been a pretty good rally and bull market for stocks in the US? The China stimulus, does that have teeth? Is it just financial engineering, or will there be some real fiscal stimulus behind it? That is also a very big question, because China has underperformed now for a number of years, and that potential mean reversion is something that we're all looking at.